sure, here's a YouTube script of up to 600 words for your channel FK iPhone, focusing on the 2025 Vivo Y62. Welcome to FK iPhone, where we bring you the latest updates from the smartphone world, and today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Vivo Y62. A budget smartphone that promises more for less this year. So let us break it all down and see if this device really deserves your attention. Starting with the design, the Vivo Y62 keeps things simple yet modern. It comes with a glossy finish on the back that reflects light in a subtle way, giving it a premium feel for its price. The corners are smoothly curved, making it comfortable to hold for long periods. The rear panel has a clean layout with a rectangular camera module placed neatly in the top corner. It feels lightweight in the hand and doesn't give off that cheap plastic vibe you'd expect at this range. Vivo clearly put some thought into giving users a good grip and a stylish look. On the front you get a large edge-to-edge display with a tiny water drop notch at the top. The bezels are slim enough to keep the viewing experience immersive, and this makes media consumption more enjoyable. Whether you're scrolling through social media or watching videos on YouTube, the screen does a decent job of delivering crisp visuals and vibrant colors. Now let us talk about performance. The Vivo Y62 is powered by a mid-range processor that handles everyday tasks smoothly. Whether it's web browsing, watching content, multitasking, or light gaming, the phone holds up well. It runs on the latest version of Android with Vivo's custom skin on top, which brings in some nice animations and useful features. There's also a focus on optimization, so the user experience feels clean and snappy. You're not going to get flagship performance here, but it doesn't disappoint for what you're paying. As for the camera setup, you get a dual lens system at the back with AI enhancements to help improve your shots. The main camera captures decent photos in good lighting conditions with natural colors and good sharpness. The secondary sensor helps with depth, so portrait shots come out looking more professional. The front camera is good enough for selfies and video calls, and there are beauty modes if you're into that. Low light photography isn't amazing, but again, considering the price range, it performs reasonably well. The battery life is one of the stronger points of this device. With a large capacity battery and power-efficient software, you can expect a full day of usage without reaching for the charger. Whether you're streaming, chatting, or gaming casually, the phone holds up through the day. Charging isn't the fastest, but it's decent and safe. Vivo has also added essential features like a fingerprint scanner and face unlock for security, and both work reliably. There's also a dedicated slot for expandable storage, which is always a plus for users who like to keep extra media on their phones. In conclusion, the 2025 Vivo Y62 brings a solid package to the budget segment. It doesn't try to compete with high-end flagships, but instead focuses on delivering a smooth, reliable experience for daily users. A nice design, decent cameras, long battery life, and enough power for casual use makes this phone a great choice for students, first-time smartphone users, or anyone looking for a dependable secondary device. That wraps it up for today. If you're considering buying a budget phone in 2025, the Vivo Y62 is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FK iPhone for more honest and straight-to-the-point reviews on the latest tech. See you in the next video. Let me know if you want a version in a more casual or humorous tone.